After lunch, we rounded the corner back towards the cliffs, trolling further into Good Hope Bay. Just like in the morning, we caught lake trout all the way down the shoreline.
Well, Jay, I don't think it's a very big one, but it's a very scenic one.
Very scenic. He smacked it. All I can hear is you go, wow, he smacked it.
Nice red fins in this area. That's so cool how in different areas of the lake the fish look a little different. These ones are real red. Yeah, it's not every day you get to fish in a place like this.
We had a wonderful shore lunch. Nice trout.
Look at this beaut.
Oh, that's a nice one.
They're all nice, but the ones that are the perfect specimens are just so cool to catch one. Nice, medium size, pretty run-of-the-mill.